Our .NET agent is very powerful and has many properties you can configure if you want to tweak how it works. Our docs page has a complete list of all the properties and what they do. So let's go check out the docs page. You can do that if you click on your name and you click on help, and that takes you to our docs page. This website is also available publicly, so you don't have to be logged into the team server to get there. And let's go into the user section and scroll down to .NET. So as you can see, there's steps on how to actually get started, how to install, and also how to improve performance if you're running into performance issues. If you're having any trouble with the agent itself, you can look into where the logs are. The logs are very useful to understand how the agent is working and if it's running into any issues. And you can also configure it. So let's check out some of the properties which we can configure. Here's some general properties, some diagnostic level properties, some performance properties you could add in, analysis. There's a whole list of them. If you're having any issues, also you can check on the troubleshooting section and see if the error that you're running into is already here. If your agent is unable to connect to Team Server, for example, you can check out this article. We also work fairly well with other profilers. If you're running into any issues though, and if you have any other profilers, you can check out this article. Also, if you have any questions or if you have any issues which are not covered in these docs, please feel free to reach out to support and we'd be very happy to help you. One way to reach out to support is clicking this support button here on the bottom right and fill out this information, and that will send us an email and we'll be happy to assist you through the case that's opened up. Contrast isn't magic. It's just way more effective to analyze an application from within. The agent uses instrumentation to analyze how your application runs, including the code, the HTTP traffic, libraries, frameworks, data flow, and configuration files. Contrast correlates all of this information together and only reports vulnerabilities that it actually observes in your running application. That's why we almost never produce any false alarms. Contrast dominates the benchmarks and is many times more accurate than any other security tool out there. We're very happy you're using Contrast. There's a lot more you can do with the .NET agent and Contrast in general, so be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks so much for watching.